So on this video we are going to apply shading. First of all, we need to create a new layer to apply the highlighter, but however for the contours we can literally use the layer of the normal general shading layer, right? Okay, so we need to first of all look at the size of the brush. Since the face is smaller, the size of the brush too, we need to reduce it. So let's check our layers and ensure that we are on the shading layer, that is the same layer we used in shading the body. And then let's check our brush and make sure that we are using the airbrush for shading. And next, let's change our color. We know our shading color is always dark, so we change our color and then we try our brush. Okay, that is good. You can always change the size of your brush or the opacity. So we start shading. Make sure you're shading correctly. You're applying your shades at the edges, very close to the lines, very close to the line. You're going to apply your shadings at the edges. So ensure that you do this correctly. We apply our contour. We go to the neck area. We apply more below the neck to give it this shadow effect. So at this point we are going to give the face this long effect. We apply it at the side, the jaw, so we can bring out the cheekbones. So we apply our shadings on the nose. To make it real and realistic. So we need to go to create a new layer and we'll name it the face highlight. That's where we're going to apply highlighter for the face. So if you notice, highlighter and shading for the face were applied on two different layers. However, for the body, we put the highlighter and the shading on the same layer. If you want to separate it, that's optional, but you can apply it on the same layer. So we apply the highlighters on the cheek, below the eyes. Below the eyes, we started above the forehead, then below the eyes, on the nose, then on the chin. So at this point we need to blend with smudge. So we use the smudge tool to blend. We have to blend the dark edges. So before you blend, make sure that you are on the layer where you made the drawing, otherwise you will not be able to blend. So we're going to blend the face. We blend the highlighters out as well. So as you can see, we have a perfectly blend cookie. So what is left now is the lips. We need to absolutely blend the lips, not blend anyway, but then we have to apply lip gloss on the lips, make it look more realistic. So for the lips, we have to create another layer for the lips and continue with blending.